And we're off. Let's see if these geese are going to give us a proper welcome. Oh yeah. There he is. Oh, he's staring at the biker. I don't know if I can get him up there with the nope, not with the sun right there. Oh, sure I can. There he is. Hi.
Oh my God.
What's up there, guy?
I love him right there.
Sugar. Oh.
Oh, oh, oh. Those were 3 robins.
Wow.
That's awesome.
I got portions of that. Now the red wing, oh dude's just chilling up there.
He still is.
Do I got him? Let's see, there he is. Where is he? Oh shit, he's in there. Oh, he's moving around. He doesn't want to be recorded. He didn't want to be recorded last year either. There he is.
Oh, look at that fanning of the tail. That was wild. See, it just goes to show you never know.
I know, and it's a
No,
crazy
you just
because
record. You're right. You were right. Oh, we got this couple coming towards us. Oh, look at his head bob.
he's like, you talking to me? He's like, you must be talking to me. Yeah, look at him. Like, what's up? What's up? What's up?
We should take a short of it.
Oh, that's great. Him and the missus in tow. That's lovely. And we got all those other guys out there.
You want to just stop the recording and make a short video of it, two geese? So you can just upload the funny part?
Yeah, I can do that too. I can edit the long video. Well, is there like there's some land out there in the middle of the water because there's not very much water. You see them? They're sitting on it.
Yep.
So they're not even swimming at all right there. They're just like chilling. Yeah. It's kind of funny looking.
This guy right here.
What up, dude?
He's pissed.
It's that guy way over there that's causing a ruckus. He's all pissy over there. Oh, there they go. Sun, blasted sun. I think I got him. Yeah.
And by the way, they are geese right there, not ducks.
Oh, they stood up and now he's a goose. We were like, there's 2 mallards.
I knew it. I knew it.
Dude's over here like, yep, see, yep. What's up, what's up?
Look at all the birds up there.
Oh.
Ooh, what's all that now? Yeah, like you just seriously, what is this? What are these?
He's like, don't forget about me.
Like, the swallows aren't here yet, are they?